In this lesson, we're going to explore creating holes using the Hole Wizard. Let's select the Hole Wizard from the toolbar. Select the type of hole you need. The Property Manager, as you can see, changes accordingly. For this lesson, we're going to select a countersink hole. Select size 10 and an end condition of through all. Let's position our hole now. We select the Position tab. I'm going to touch the edge of the arc. The center becomes visible. Click on the center of the arc. Touch the second arc. Click. Do this to all 4 arcs. And click Apply. Now click the Hole Wizard again. And this time, I'm going to select a pipe type. Choose the standard from this drop-down menu. I'm going to choose 1/4 inch and a drill type of blind. The rest of the parameters will remain the same. Down below, we can create some custom parameters. These, of course, depend on the type of hole you've chosen. Let's go to our pipe type. Here you can load, save, delete, and update your favorites. Okay, let's check the Position tab, and let's position our holes. Let's specify the location of these holes. Here, let's enter 15. Click Accept. Do it again. Close this dialog box. And here we have our holes, lots of holes. A very fast and efficient tool.